Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This audio will explain how the model answer successfully completes the task. You can pause the video now if you would like more time to read the email first. The response fully addresses all three parts of the prompt. It provides two clear examples of problems, mentioning the overgrown, weeds, and the garbage. It also explains that a cleanup day is a good idea because it helps everyone enjoy the space and brings neighbors together. Finally, it suggests a specific date and time for the event. Notice the email's organization. It begins with a polite, formal greeting, "Dear Mr. Chen," which is appropriate for a coordinator. The opening sentence clearly states the email's purpose. The body paragraphs are easy to follow, with each one discussing a different part of the request. The tone is respectful and helpful throughout. The writer uses simple linking words to connect ideas, such as firstly, secondly, and also. These words make the message clear and logical. For stronger vocabulary, the email includes the words effective, which is a good way to say something works well, and maintain, which means to keep something in good condition. Here is a simple tip for your own writing. Before you start, look at the 3 bullet points. Try to write one simple sentence for each point. This quick plan will help you make sure you answer the entire question. Let's review this sample response to understand what makes it effective. If you need more time to read the full answer, you can pause the audio now and restart when you are ready. This response clearly completes the task. It starts by stating a direct preference for option A, the playground. The writer then provides two distinct reasons to support this choice. The first reason is that a playground is essential for the many young families. The second is that it helps build a stronger community. The response also briefly explains why the other option is less necessary, which makes the argument stronger. The answer is well organized. It has a clear introduction, two body paragraphs for the main points, and a short conclusion. The tone is polite and persuasive, which is perfect for a survey. Notice the use of linking words like first and additionally to guide the reader through the arguments. These simple words make the writing easy to follow. The writer also includes two good stretch words: essential, which means absolutely necessary, and vibrant, which means full of energy and life. Here is a practical tip for your own writing. Try to think about who is affected by each option. This will help you find strong reasons and examples to support your choice. This audio will explain why this model answer for option B is a strong response. Feel free to pause here if you'd like a moment to read the answer on the screen first. The response successfully addresses the prompt by clearly choosing option B, the fitness area. It gives two solid reasons for this preference. The first reason is that it provides a free and accessible way for adults to exercise. The second reason is that it promotes a healthier lifestyle for the whole community. By mentioning who would benefit, like seniors and professionals, the writer adds strong support to their argument. The organization is very clear. A direct introduction states the choice, followed by two separate body paragraphs, each explaining a key benefit. The writing ends with a concise conclusion that summarizes the main point. The tone is formal and convincing. To make the ideas flow smoothly, the writer uses transition words like firstly and moreover. These words help connect the paragraphs logically. The vocabulary also includes two useful stretch words: accessible, meaning easy for everyone to get and use, and encourage, which means to support or motivate someone to do something.